Hi guys, welcome back. It's May and
Walter.
so what we're gonna be doing is playing easy obby. Let's get into it. Whee! I may be a little bad because I am really bad at obbies. Don't mind about that. I just started before Walter, that's why I'm ahead of him. It's usually him that's ahead of me, but I'm gonna wait for him after I get here. I don't really know what he's doing right now, but yeah. Just get into this.
What do you guys say about that, Walter?
Oh my god, yeah, what do you have to say with it, Walter? I'm just gonna wait for Walter. I'm just gonna like, oh, there he is. Come on, Walter, hurry up. It's actually surprising that I'm waiting for you. I shouldn't be, because you're way better than me at obbies. Okay, which one is it, Walter?
Jump over. Oh, yellow.
Oh, it's yellow. Thanks, Walter. Blue? Oh, what? It
It's
wasn't.
green. And then it's
It's gonna be blue. It's gonna be blue.
Yeah, blue.
And then
Red. Yeah, it's like pattern. Okay, let's just do this. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, okay, I'll go this way then. You go the other way. Oh wow! Don't draw me, please. Okay, me and Walter are actually gonna be sticking together. Sometimes we're not, because he usually just goes ahead of me.
yeah.
And we just started this YouTube channel. Hope y'all know that. Because the last video, y'all couldn't hear us. So sorry about that. We had some.
You mean 2 videos ago?
Oh yeah. Well, on the second video, we did a fidget video, but oh my gosh, really? Walter? What the heck? Okay. And now Walter's ahead of me, and he is going, as you can see right there. And something. Oh, what happened, Walter?
I don't know. I fell and I was like that. I'm just sitting where I was doing.
Now let's go this way. This is like, I feel like the easiest one, because the only thing you need to do is just walk straight and boom. Oh, okay, now there's 2 people messing up for some odd reason. This one's really good.
He's fixing
And, like that's the people that I saw, Walter, and I feel like they were kind of bad. Because one went like this way, and then one went.
I'm like the best.
Oh shoot!
In obby.
Oh, you are, Walter?
On
On the server. Obby.
Yeah, I think it's red.
Walter, you're leaving me. Look.
Red.
It's not red. You only know.
Oh my gosh! How do I keep on? Oh wait. Okay, there we go. I'm there.
Green.
Blue, purple,
Yellow.
green,
I'm
yellow.
so smart.
You are, Walter. Shoot, Walter. Oh my god. Walter, this is like a parkour for me. No! I fell because of you, Walter. No! Another person went.
Shouldn't bother me.
Why are you not sliding, Walter?
What do you
You're
mean?
supposed to slide on that.
No, you're not. You're supposed to walk. Like every normal person. It's walking. Especially me. I'm normal.
You suck.
Hey. Whoa. Wait.
Oh my gosh, what is Walter doing this time?
I'm way ahead of you, man.
Yeah, because you... Wait, what? No! What have I done? I went all the way back here.
Just fall off.
Okay, I'll fall. Whee. Okay, thank you, Walter. I don't know what happened.
Ew, it's weird.
I just fell. Oh my gosh, I am. Okay. Hey, I hit the target. It's good. Okay. Finally, kind of close to Walter. I bet he's not going to be going fast just because I catched up to him. Or did he just
What?
wait for me? I don't really know.
I was just standing there for like 2 seconds.
Oh, you were.
Okay.
Walter, we're jumping at the same time.
Oh.
Oh, we were. Here, Walter, I'll make it easy for him. I'm going to be jumping.
What? How are you going faster than me?
I don't know, okay? I know you're better than me at obbies. I don't know why. I'm just catching up, trying to go fast. Because sometimes if I go too fast, I die, and then I messed up. And then and then I'm back. So surprised I'm still here. I keep on pressing the grub. I think. Sorry about the noise, if y'all hear the noise in the background. Okay.
Does your sound not work, Walter?
What?
Does your sound not work? Like, can you not hear the game?
What do you mean?
Why can you not hear the game?
Boom. It's easier than I expected it to be. Wow. Wait, I wonder if I could just play a song. Play. Yay!
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, raining tacos. Out in the street, tacos. All you can eat, lettuce and shells, cheese and meat.
Walter, you have to listen to me.
It's raining tacos, yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese.
Sorry guys, I was jamming out on music. Okay. Easy. Okay, here we go again.
Walter's starting to catch up to you.
Yeah, I know that. It's not really a race. But okay. If you want him to. Whoa, Walter, you're messing me up! You just pushed me! What the heck, Walter? I'm coming. How dare
You
you?
can catch up to me.
Well, I just did, and then you pushed me off.
But not anymore.
Oh my gosh, I remember this guy on this like disappearing things. Like
What?
he would be like when everyone was walking up, he would walk down, so then I would get messed up. I would mess up and stuff. It was so annoying. Remember that, Walter?
Yeah.
So annoying. I just wanted to kill him, but I couldn't. Yay, we made it! Congratulations, you won! Woohoo! Well, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video. Bye!